Well, good Thursday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home, the Sticks. I hope everybody's having a show enough good Thursday, and I hope y'all having a safe one too. But over here in East Central Mississippi, it is showing enough hot, and it's been raining on and off. What I want to make mention of, if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over here in the Sticks, I thank y'all for coming back. What I wanted to share with you and y'all today is, I'm thinking maybe we need to go harvest this garlic. Give me a second, and that's what we finna do. All right, y'all, here is my garlic. Not looking too good. I let them go, but hey, I want to harvest it. I was like, you know what? Yo, you and y'all know that I'm gonna share everything over here, good and bad, and this ain't looking too epic. Actually, it's unepic. So let's get to pulling this garlic out and see what we got. I do know that I made several mistakes with this garlic, but let's take a look and let's have a look see. Get to pulling this one. Yeah. It's actually looking a little bit better than what I had actually thought. All right. Well, gracious almighty. Well, just looking at them, they really small bulbs, garlic heads. I'm gonna dry them out anyway, and just I'm gonna eat them. Heck, I grew them. They don't look too bad. They're just really small, but heck, that one's a nice size one, I reckon. But we're still gonna eat them. We're gonna use it, and I would imagine they're gonna be quite tasty. That's what we ended up with. Now, I planted this garlic last year sometime, and I let it go. I probably should have maybe looked a little harder at it in maybe June, the beginning of June, and maybe even towards the beginning of May. But I let the garlic die back just to see what it's gonna do. The garlic heads are real small. They have a few cloves on it, no big deal. Still gonna use it, still gonna eat it, still gonna dry it out. But the one thing I didn't do is I didn't fertilize this garlic. I didn't help them out. I'll probably have to do a lot more research on my end as far as finding a variety of garlic that likes to grow in zone 8A. And no big deal. I'm going to tell you, that's a lot more than what I've ever gotten over here in my home in the Sticks garlic wise. Never really had any success with garlic. But now that I know that it will grow over here and I know what I need to do, one of the most really important things is soil structure. So I'm gonna pay a little bit more attention to that. But hey, we have a little bit of garlic harvest and we're gonna use it. So y'all, there you have it. The unepic garlic harvest over here at my home in the Sticks. I wanted to share it with you and y'all. I was hoping it would be a little bit better, but that's okay. We're gonna drive on with what we got. And again, I hope everybody's having a show enough good Thursday. It's getting closer to the weekend. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home in the Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff. Really. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Reference showing off, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You get your shine on, even though your garlic ain't shining yet. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.